This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying device dimensions and safe area insets, because accurate measurements drive consistent visuals. Once done, import vector assets and set up your prototype canvas so you can iterate. You should initialize a new layout layer named Dynamic Island and enable live reload in your simulator. This speeds up testing. Make sure to lock core constraints and test a simple mock interaction to confirm touch targets and spacing. Then move to implementing visual states. You now map out each state, collapse for ambient, expanded for interaction, and transient for alerts, and assign priorities to avoid conflicts. Next, animate between states using spring physics or keyframes so expansions feel natural. Adjust duration and easing until motion reads as intentional. While doing that, synchronize content changes. Swap icons, fade labels, and slide controls so nothing jumps. Make sure gestures like tap, long press, and swipe gracefully interrupt animations without breaking layout constraints. You finish by polishing micro-interactions. Subtle shadows, timed delays, and adaptive spacing for landscape versus portrait so the island feels integrated. Once polished, run UI tests, profile for dropped frames, and verify accessibility labels and scalable text. If issues arise, reproduce them in the simulator, isolate the offending animation or constraint, then adjust timing or fallback layouts. After performance checks, push a staged build. Gather feedback and iterate quickly before rolling out broadly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.